Today we'll talk about how can you disable sound on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just click on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on platform, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So then you click here on appearance and sound, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. So then you click here on default pack, just click on it. So then you click here on silent here. So then it's going to disable with you here on your Olymptrade app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.